Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to add ring, how to delete ring and how to fill ring. If you want to fill a gap up space of your project, so it is very important. So listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. So let start. Here is our polygon and we add ring. For add ring we go to editor and go to edit geometry and we select here add ring and we create here ring as per our requirement, and last we right click, our ring is created. If you want to delete ring, this ring, you go to again editor and go to edit geometry and we select here delete ring. After it we click to ring, our ring is deleted. If you want to fill ring, for fill ring first we create a ring, we go to editor and add ring, we right click. After add ring we fill it. For fill we go to editor and edit geometry and select here fill ring and we start editing to outer, and last we right click and OK. Our ring is fill up. And if you want to modify in one polygon same as previous, so you select it both ring and after it we go to editor and edit geometry and we select here merge selected feature, then OK. Our feature is merge, our ring area filled. So our process is complete: add ring, delete ring and fill ring. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video.